When it comes to Shiba Inu Coin, we have got a lot of positive price predictions circulating out there right now, and we're going to be going over some of those in this video because everybody always wants to be positive, right? It's almost as though negative news articles are never written because nobody wants to click on them, but we do have some massive expectations for Shiba Inu Coin coming up at the beginning of 2024, and a lot of it has to do with ChatGPT and these different AI platforms predicting prices based on current performance and so on. It's absolutely imperative that we look at that, yes, but we also need to keep in mind what is going on in the overall cryptocurrency market and the Bitcoin halving and all of these things that affect prices of altcoins like Shiba Inu Coin as well. And I don't believe that ChatGPT and these AI do an incredible job at looking at overall market conditions as they do the current price trajectory. So let's look at all of it, and it sounds like something you're interested in. Let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a pro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges, where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. And I want to say thank you guys to everybody who is out there purchasing their brand new favorite hoodie on Amazon. All you got to do is go and type ClayBro merch on Amazon, and you're going to see all the designs show up. So sincerely thank you to everybody who's going out there and doing that. Listen to this article right here. Shiba Inu Coin ChatGPT predicts SHIB's price for 2024, and it is a good prediction. Now, I'm going to break it down a little bit further than this article does because I'm going to talk about some stuff that's going on in the overall market, and we know that ChatGPT really just takes a look at price action and does a little bit of a technical analysis by simply pulling out the current price action and moving it forward. It says Shiba Inu Coin, SHIB, has been struggling for most of 2023. The popular meme coin gained an additional 0 after its decimal point in May as it failed to delete it despite a major Layer 2 network launch. Although SHIBs briefly removed the 0 in August, the price did not hold, and it gained the 0 again soon thereafter. However, OpenAI's ChatGPT AI, artificial intelligence, chatbot has good news for Shiba Inu Coin fans and investors. As per the AI platform, the dog-themed cryptocurrency could, and they emphasize could there, because literally nobody knows what's going to happen next. You guys know that by now. You've been in this game long enough that no AI, no analyst, nobody on YouTube, nobody in government, nobody knows what's going to happen to prices tomorrow. It says it could surge to a minimum of 1,357 points per coin by the beginning of 2024. The price rise would represent growth of about 59% from the current levels. Moreover, ChatGPT predicts that SHIB could reach a high of 1,619 points by early 2024, an increase of over 90% from its current price levels. Now, these are massive increases, right? And then it goes on to talk about, can you still be a millionaire with Shiba Inu Coin in the next bull run and all of that. I'm not going to be getting into that because that's all going to have to deal with how many coins are burned, you know, how much you have invested, how high it could potentially go. And it's just a lot more than what that article breaks it down to be. But the minimum price that ChatGPT sets is 1,300 points per coin. Think about that for a second. That's the minimum price expectation by this AI, is that we see a 60% increase in the price of Shiba Inu Coin. If that's the case, if that's accurate, everybody should be buying as much Shiba Inu Coin as they possibly can. I mean, if you were looking at a minimum increase of 60%, you would be a fool not to invest everything that you have into something. So, of course, that lends to the fact that nothing's guaranteed. It's just a prediction of the current trajectory taken out over the next few months to get us to the beginning of 2024. We've seen an absolute surge in the price of Bitcoin, and the price of a lot of layer 1 networks, and the price of a lot of crypto tokens over the last month, with the majority of them up double digits, even triple digit percentage gains over the last 4 weeks. Now, of course, if you take that current trajectory and you extend it out to the beginning of 2024, everything is going to be looking good. But what happens if the SEC denies all of these Bitcoin ETFs? What happens if it's a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event, and of course all of the speculation dies down after the approval of the ETFs, and traders who were trading on that emotion and speculation begin to exit their positions? What happens if, something in the election cycle takes place and the overall economy here in the United States begins to deteriorate a little bit? What happens if inflation ticks back up? What happens if they increase interest rates again? There are so many factors that ChatGPT and these artificial intelligence bots do not take into consideration when doing these price predictions. So please know that there is risk associated with these levels. But if we do stay on the current trend, I absolutely agree. Shiba Inu Coin could be testing that 13 to 1600 point per coin level. Why? We've got a major level of resistance on SHIB around an average of 1100 points per coin. We've talked about this number before. There's roughly 300 trillion Shiba Inu coin between the range of 800 to 1400 points per coin that it will be turning profitable above that 1400 point per coin level. So of course, that lower end there, that 1360 point per coin level that Shiba Inu Coin could reach is a huge resistance level. So yes, we could go up there to test it, get rejected, and float right around that level, and ChatGPT would be accurate. However, I truly believe if we break that, we could see gains much beyond 1,600 points per coin. If we're able to break through and people actually hold their cryptocurrency, people are holding their Shiba Inu coin in anticipation of much larger gains, Shiba Inu Coin would be able to break through 1,300, 1,600 points per coin, and we could be testing 2,000 to 2,500 points per coin again, with the only major level of resistance, and I say major, but the largest level of resistance coming in at that 3,500 point per coin threshold. So I want to know what you guys think about these price predictions by ChatGPT, and whether or not you agree that just taking the current price trend is appropriate, or if you have to factor in all of these market conditions that ChatGPT unfortunately tends to ignore. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a pro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere, 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and thank you to everybody getting your brand new favorite hoodie off Amazon by searching ClayBro merch on Amazon there. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.